Hey guys, Marwan here, co-founder of Trading Passive. Today is November 1st, so this is the time where we announce the results for October, for the month of October. I'm gonna take you through the MyFX book, take you through all the numbers, also a few new things that we issued. You're gonna see them in our message, in the social media, and also in the emails if you're subscribed to our newsletter. So we will start with the performance for this month. So as you can see, New York has returned a very strong return basically this month with over 24%. This has been going very well for this bot since the beginning of the MyFX book, but also since the inception of the backtesting on TradingView. So if we look at the if you look at the backtesting results, this strategy has been strong for over 5 years now. Since 2019, this is where the data is available on TradingView. So New York doing very well. This one trades the Nasdaq, as you might know. If you don't know, probably time to check our offers. I'm gonna put a link in the video so you can book your call, meet with our team. This is not a sales call. We are just going to do a demo for you. You like it, you don't like it, it's fine. We also offer free education for everyone. We have a school platform. Again, I'm going to put the link in the description and the comments of the video. So this is the MyFX book for New York. As you can see, great start and then ups, downs. We had the negative strike of probably 7 days, and then it went back to up. We had 2 days basically with a 10% win. As you might know, the performance or the setup for this bot is with a risk to reward ratio of over 3, so 3.333333. With the standard setup, we risk 3% to get 10%. We usually get between 2 and 10% depending on if we hit the take profit or not, because as you know, at the end of the day we close all the trades whether we are positive or not. So this is very important to know. And as you can see, performance has been great. We achieved over 82% since July 11th when we launched this MyFX book. Monthly return, an average of 17%. Drawdown, so this is an issue with MyFX book because they don't count the drawdown how it should be. This is basically the max losses on a daily basis, where of course it should have been 3% here. I'm going to explain why it's 6.4, but the issue with MyFX book is, for example, here the drawdown was way higher than this 6%. They calculated based on the daily drawdown or on the drawdown per trade, which is not correct. So we always, we are always transparent. We always show the real results, and that's why I'm talking about this here. Now, if we look at the monthly performance, so the first month, July, where we only started on the 11th, we made 29%, 12% in August, basically break even in September, no growth, and then October, another solid 24%. Now, going back to that day, why we are seeing a 6% loss. Obviously, all the trades are public here. You can access them. You can look at them. I'm going to put all the MyFX book in the comments or in the description of the video. As you can see here, our maximum loss is always 3%, 3%, 3%, 299, 3. So this is what we close with. And then we have days with a plus 10%. Of course, as I explained before, it will never be like 3% exactly because there's some slippage. You don't get filled at the price that you're requesting. There's spreads, there are fees. Anyway, there's always something or an issue somewhere that causes some discrepancies, but these discrepancies are very small. Now, just going back to that 6% drawdown, this is basically where, so on August, we haven't started to sell the bot yet for a main reason that we were still live testing. So we discovered or we uncovered this issue, we fixed it in the algo, and now it's running perfectly. You can check all the history. Salvador, definitely not a great month, minus 14.88%, 28%, sorry. Is this normal? Yes. Like if we look at the backtesting, we had negative months of like minus 14, minus 15, minus 20, sometimes minus 25. So this is part of the trading. This is part of the game, and we accept it. And we're going to have months, sometimes, quarters that are negative. Now, let's look at the MyFX book. It's back almost to break even since July 11th, as you can see. The curve is not beautiful here. It's been going downhill for more than a month, so since September. But the good thing is we know it will recover. Why? Because our strategies look for larger movements. So if you know how Bitcoin is behaving right now, or maybe before the last 3 days of October, it's been basically, ranging between a few support lines, almost hit an all-time high and went back down. So we're not worried about this. This is completely normal. It's going to go back up someday, maybe not this month. We never know, right? So this is trading. This is part of the game. This year, again, is up 2.6%. Now, if we look at the monthly results, so July we started with a 1%, 1.64, 14% in August, 3% in September, and then minus 14.28. And same thing for this one. All the trades are available. You can see them. Yeah, there's a lot of red here, which is, in line with what we've seen. And you can check it for yourselves. Now, the third bot is Dubai, and I'm going to take a bit of time about this one. Why? Because Dubai was running on MT4 before we launched basically our campaigns and everything. And now Dubai is running on CTrader. We switched all our codes on CTrader for many reasons. One is because CTrader is way more powerful. It runs on a cloud, and we can also control, the access through CTrader to our bot. Where MetaTrader 4 is a Russian application. There's a lot of issues with it, even though it's the most used in the market. But we decided to go with CTrader. Now, why I'm saying this? Because, as I said, the previous MyFX book, you'll see that there was no activity. Yeah, this October 29th was nothing. We just updated the MyFX book, or we tried to update it. We tried basically to use a copier from CTrader to MT4, but that didn't work. So we had to let go this account. And now we have a new MyFX book tracking the performance of Dubai on CTrader. And this is my own account that we're tracking. This is my partner's accounts, and as you can see, it's been going very well. September reached like 175% returns since January 4th of this year. Monthly return of 11%, and then a max drawdown of 18%. Same thing here, so 9% in September, and then you're gonna see my account. Let's go to the new MyFX book. So the new MyFX book is called Dubai on CTrader, just to clarify the difference. I don't know why here it's showing LTC, which is Litecoin. My account is in Canadian dollars with Fusion Market, so I'm not sure why. As you can see here, so we started this one in September 3rd, but because it was my account, I was playing with it a little bit. I increased the risk on October 3rd, and I had a small issue with the VPS. So this is, I would say, a technical issue. Like the account should have been positive, but to be completely transparent, this month was negative. So we consider it negative, whatever happens. Our clients didn't have a negative month because they're running their software in their own VPS. So this is the power of licensing. Because you own your bot, it runs on your VPS that we provide you through Amazon Web Services. You basically don't depend on the signal. So imagine if this was a copy trading and then there was a mistake or there was an issue in the VPS, in my VPS, everyone would have been impacted. This is not our model. We sell licenses, you own it. And as you can see here, I wanted to focus on October here, so almost 8% losses. That was my fault, but I'll take that. So consider this month as negative for us, not for our clients, thanks God. But anyway, from now on, you're going to see the real trades. They're going to be fully shown here as usual. So this was for Dubai with a minus 2.84%. Johannesburg, our beautiful martingale that has been running for 2 years, over 2 years, since June 2022. So as you can see, a beautiful curve like a martingale is. This account has reached a drawdown of 30%. So if you're using this one, we advise you always to put a hard stop loss on your account, because you never know what could happen. This is trading. This is, even if the backtesting is showing, 30%, this might go down, because the previous backtestings, for example, were around 25% drawdown. And then one day we had a 30% drawdown. Thanks God we had higher stop loss for this account. But always use a hard stop loss on your account if you're using a martingale, whether it's ours or anyone's martingale. Always use a hard stop loss. Don't listen to anyone telling you like, hey, no, you have to trust it and leave it. And we've seen companies blowing up their clients' accounts, and this is not beautiful to see. Okay, so performance is here. Yeah, very strong month of October. November started with a quick win here, 0.3%. This one is slower, obviously, but as you can see, everything has been solid except 1 month where we hit a stop loss this month in May 2023. 2022 was also a nice month. So yeah, so these are our results. You're gonna get the you're going to get the email. Everything is on our social media. Guys, if you have any questions, if you want to know more about these products, about these bots, how the licensing model works, it's a one-time fee with a very small monthly maintenance fee for the VPS mainly, and the support that we provide. You're again welcome to jump on a call with our team, maybe myself, maybe someone from the team, and we'll be happy to do a demo for you using TradingView, but also showing you the live accounts and comparing also the trades, because this is very important for you to do your due diligence. Look at the trades, the live trades in a live account. Look at the trades in the backtesting environment, and also look at the trades in the MyFX book. If they match, this is legit, and I can tell you we are legit. Again, welcome guys. Thanks for watching this video. These are the results for the month of October. I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye.